Here's a unique problem that we wanted to point out with this particular application. Normally with this track with an 1 3/4 door and normally your bolts mounted to the back of the door, you just barely have enough clearance for it to work with a sheetrock wrapped opening. But in this case we had this angle iron trim put on the edge of the door opening, and it allowed the door not to operate freely because the bolts would rub up against it. So what we did is we countersunk the bolts into the face of the door, and then there was no rubbing issues. In your particular situation, if you're going to do that, there's a couple things that you can do. You can countersink the bolts, you can add extra spacers on your washer assembly and the axle, and if you know for sure that you're going to have to countersink the bolts, instead of having to cut them shorter, just tell us ahead of time and we'll send your bolts that are 1/4 inch shorter so that they are sized the correct thickness for your door. It's just something to think about. It's unique to your particular application, and you can always reference the drawings in our installation instructions for more information. And good luck. Thanks.